NCERT 9th class math chapter 12th Heron's formula exercise 12.1 question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is in equilateral triangle with side A. Means a traffic signal board, there is a traffic signal board which is in equilateral triangle form. Here it is equilateral triangle form and side of this equilateral triangle is A, and in this board it is written school ahead. School आगे है, school ahead. Find the area of the signal board. This signal board area we need to find out by using Heron's formula. If its parameter is 180 centimeter, parameter it is given, what will be the area of the signal board? So we need to find out the area by using Heron's formula. Let's see the solution. Firstly, we need to find out the parameter. It is given 180 centimeter to us, but we need to find out according to sides, because we have sides A, A, A. So accordingly, what will be the parameter and what is given parameter? Given parameter is what, 180 centimeter, and what we will find out that parameter A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. 3 of the sides addition will be parameter. So now we need to find out the semi parameter, because in area of triangle, when we will find out the area of triangle by Heron's formula, that formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This S is semi parameter and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle A, B, C, but here 3 of the sides are equal, so in place of B we will put A, in place of C also A. So now semi parameter will be half of parameter, 3A by 2. Now we'll keep the values in this we will get this now. So now we got here. Now A by 2, A by 2, 1 pair we can make, A by 2, A by 2, 1 pair we can make. Now which pair are made, that A by 2, A by 2 will be 1 A by 2, and from one pair 1 A by 2 will be outside from square root and inside will be 3. So we can write A square by 4 under root 3. So under root 3 A square by 4. So this is area, but if we will put the value of A, then we will find out the proper area. So parameter it is given to 180 centimeter and we have parameter 3A. By this we will get the value of A. Now this value we will put in area. So we will get the area of board, that is 900 under root 3. So this is question number first. Exercise 12.1. This is question number 1 of exercise 12.1 chapter 12 Heron's formula. NCERT 9th class mathematics chapter 12 Heron's formula exercise 12.1 question number 2. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. So sides are in triangular shape means, and we have used, it is used sides for writing the advertisement. The sides of the walls are, here it is given, the sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield in earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So let's see the solution. Solution, this is the sides of the triangles, means the triangular sides walls of a flyover. So this length is given. Now we need to find out the area of this triangle. So firstly we will find out the S means semi parameter. Semi parameter is half of parameter. So sides are given 122, 122 and 120. So S will be, semi parameter will be half of parameter, and parameter all sides addition will be the parameter. So 264 upon 2, 132 is parameter. Now area of triangle formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S means semi parameter is 132. A, B, C, we can write A, B, C, any side we can take A, B, C, or in question it is given 122, 20 and 120. So we can take in the series accordingly, we can take anyhow, we can take A, B, C any side. So now if we will put these sides in this formula, we will get the equation likewise. Now we will make the pair, we will get the numbers. Now we will make the pair, 12 and 12 pairs we can make, 10 and 10, 11 and 11. So from pair one number will be out, from 12 also and 10 also. Now area of triangle is 1320 meters square. So it is area. Now area, this is the area of triangle. Now 5,000 is the cost for advertisement per year. So 5,000 cost for per year means 12 months. But company hired the wall for advertisement for 3 months. So it will be multiplied with 3 now after cancel. After cancelling this number, we will get the numbers this. So rupees, it will be the answer, rupees 16,50,000. So this only we need to find out how much rent did it pay. So this is question number 2 of exercise 12.1. NCERT 9th class maths chapter 12th exercise 12.1 question number 3. There is a slide in the park. Slide means that वो फिसलने वाला झूला. Slide means in slide. Slide in the park. One of its side walls has been painted in the same color with the message keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, then find the area of painted in the color. Here you can see these are the walls. Sides are given, any side you can take, and here is the wording which is written as a message keep the garden green and clean. So we need to find out the area of this triangle, so that we will find out the area painted in color, because which area got painted, that is this area. So we have to find the area of this triangle. Now let's see the solution for question number 3. Now you can see in this, we need to find out the area by Heron's formula. So in Heron's formula, this is the formula. S means semi parameter, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. A is side, B is also a side, and C is also a side of the triangles. A, B, C, any side you can take A, B, C. So these are the sides of the triangle. Now S is semi parameter. Here which S is used, that is semi parameter. Semi parameter is half of parameter. Parameter will be plus of all sides, 11 meter plus 15 meter plus 6 meter. This is the parameter. Parameter of triangle. So parameter upon 2. This will be semi parameter. So it is 16 meter. Now we can find out the area of triangle by putting the values in this. Now we will get these numbers. Now 16 we can write 4 4 ja 5, 10 we can write 5 2 ja 1. Why we have broken these numbers into factors? Because we can take out a pair one number outside. Now this is a pair of 5, 4 pair, so 1 5 and 1 4 we can take out, because in square root if inside pairs are there, so one of that number we can take out, because this is 4 4 ja 16, 16 square root will be 4, 25 square root will be 5, 2 and 1 is 2 1 ja 2, 2 will be left inside, so 20 under root 2. So area will be painted 20 under root 2 meter square, and area we used to show in square, meter square, centimeter square. So this is question number 3 of exercise 12.1.